Hi, Namaste. My name is Sandhareddy. I am the consultant for lighting. I am also director for the Gloled. Now the Gloled is doing old P8 lights into new lights. Suppose you have a old lights in your factory. If you want to convert that one into new lights, it can be easily possible in Gloled. Gloled has a capacity to replace the old LED lights into a new light. It can be work for another 2 years. So here what we are doing, we are taking this one, this is the old one. So we are removing the old PCB and we are keeping the new PCB. So you can see here, this is the new PCB we are using. And we are removing the old driver, this is the old driver, we are removing this one and we are keeping the new driver. So because of these two factors, the aluminum heat sink is very good for this. So we get the 2 years of life. So and also it works like a new light. The only look wise and feel wise it was somewhat dull. Otherwise the lighting wise and life wise it is the same as the new light. Now we are doing this one for HSIL. It is a glass factory. It is there in Sarat Nagar. For that we are doing, and we are generally doing for the GTN also. We are also doing for the so many biometric components. All this we are using for cost reduction. Suppose if you want to purchase a new light, the new light cost of this one is almost 250 rupees. We are giving this one for lesser cost, 50% only. So because suppose we have 1,000 lights, now we are working for the HCL. So that they are almost saving 1,000 lights into 1,40,000 this year. Suppose if you want to save a money, you can use the new light, old lights. Suppose it can be used for the other 2 years also. So come for the Gloled for customization of the old lights and also new light. Light wise is better and quality wise is also better. So thank you very much for watching this.